In this video, I'll show you how you can make calls using your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, before you can do that, ensure that your watch is connected to your smartphone. And then once it's connected, go to your OnePlus Watch 4 and access all the application by pressing in the crown button. And then from here, find the phone app, which is denoted by this call icon. You can tap on it. And then from here, you can scroll through and find the contact that you'd like to call. So you can see different categories. There's a favorites, recent, contacts, and dial pad. So you can find the one that you'd like to call. So let me just go to recent, tap on that, and then find the one that you'd like to call. So for instance, this particular contact, I can tap on it, and then it will start calling, as you can see. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.